Hey Grand Prairie, it's Kyle from Grand Prairie Hyundai. Welcome to another Walk Around Wednesday. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Grand Prairie, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you this beautiful 2022 Chrysler Grand Caravan. Yes, you heard that right. This is a Chrysler Grand Caravan. It has been redesigned. We've just had this one land on the lot, and I want to show you guys why this is an amazing option if you need all those seats for all those people. All right, so we've got that 2022 Chrysler Grand Caravan pulled up. It's still running that 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. It's a phenomenal motor. It's gonna give you all the power on the highway. It's also gonna give you great fuel economy. All right, coming down the side, you got some cool features, like the power sliding doors on the sides. So easy when you're loading younger children. You've got your hands full and all that good stuff. Let's head to the back and show you all the cool stuff back there. All right, so we talked about the stow and go. I want to talk about the middle row stow and go because these go right down to the floor. Captain shares as well, which is great if you got kids that don't quite get along, or middle row passengers that don't quite get along. You can keep them separated a little bit. So your stow and go in the middle row. You open it up here like so. You pull it all the way up. There's a gray tether on the side, just like so. Seat goes in, locks down. Now to do this, you're gonna have to move that front seat a fair bit forward, all right? But once you have that down, you can see just how much room you're gonna have in here for activities, you know? Loads of space. You can sleep in this thing. Let's hop in the front seats, check out all the cool stuff up there. All right, here we are up front of the 2022 Chrysler Grand Caravan, loads of space. I'm a big guy, you guys know this. I got loads of room up here, I'm very comfortable. I love the cloth seats. These are heated as well, and you've got a heated steering wheel. Remote start right on the key. You've got the touchscreen up front. It's got all your stuff on there, your climate control, radio, phone connectivity, all of that. Loads of space. You've got all the plugins down here. You've got a really cool tray here for stuff. The console, I like that it's dropped a little bit lower. It's not right up here in your face, it's down low. Cup holders are rubberized. You've got a rubberized change compartment here and another rubberized cup holder compartment here. Loads of space, guys. Now, we're gonna do something we haven't done on a Walk Around Wednesday. We're gonna take this for a drive so you can see what it's like to, what it sounds like on the road and get my opinion on how it drives and why this should be your next vehicle if you're looking for a van. Let's get on the road. All right, so here we are driving the 2022 Chrysler Dodge Caravan. First thing I noticed is it's incredibly quiet on the road. It also feels very, very solid. It doesn't feel rattly or anything like that. Visibility is great. I've got very minimal blind spots. Let's turn that off. It does have the auto off feature. And here we go, onto the highway. Touchscreen is laid out in a very nice position. It's super easy to glance at it. It is tilted towards the driver, which I really like. To show your climate control, it's right there on the screen, so you're not messing with the knobs or buttons. It's super easy to pull up. Feels great. It's very quiet. That's one thing I've noticed immediately is just how quiet the ride is. And everything's just super easily laid out from a driver's perspective. I enjoy that. You shouldn't have to be hunting for buttons or anything like that. Everything should be at a glance, and Chrysler's really nailed that with this. I love it. It is super comfortable. You've got all your Bluetooth hands-free controls, everything here on the front and the back of the wheel for your cruise control. It's right here. Super easy to see everything. Phenomenal. It's got the get up and go if you need to pass somebody with that 3.6 liter V6. It's not going to win any races, but it definitely will make your highway driving a breeze and easy to do. This is on the lot right now, guys. I want you to come down and check it out. If you're looking for that third row vehicle with room for everybody, this ticks the boxes. All right. You guys know where you need to be. You guys need to be here driving with me. Give me a call, 780-532-5233. Let's show you how easy it is to put this in your driveway.